Hi, first grade. I'm going to show you how to use the Birdsong Hero game online. And first, we're going to start our tutorial. This is going to tell us a little bit about how to play and what Birdsong Hero is all about.
Here's your chance to become a Birdsong hero by playing the Birdsong ID game that starts from square one and trains you how to visualize and remember the songs that catch your attention but don't always stick. Time to show what you're made of and become a better birder at the same time. First, let's get you trained. Birders get up before dawn, not just because they're that kind of obsessed, but also because that's when most birds are singing their hearts out. This northern cardinal song is a common early morning sound across much of the U.S., so you might already recognize it. What's amazing is that the bird is performing impressive feats of vocal gymnastics with those repetitive whoops, spanning more pitches than a piano in just a tenth of a second. Visualizing a cardinal song helps you fully appreciate the vocal genius. Here on this spectrogram, you see time from left to right and pitch from high to low. And the brighter it is, the louder. Spectrograms stimulate the visual parts of our brain and help us commit song patterns to memory. That's why many birders use them. Now that you've got the basics, you're ready to train your visual brain with Birdsong Hero.
All right, so we're ready to start our game. So the challenge round is our first round. We're going to play each song as many times as you want. We're going to listen to it, and then the next step is we're going to match the sound to how it looks on the spectrogram, and that has high pitches and low pitches, and it shows us in time what that looks like. So the birds actually make different rhythms and different pitches. So let's hear the first one. Ooh, so I heard a high sound first and kind of a lower sound in the middle. Let's hear one more time. That one's kind of tough. I see that this one has kind of high pitches here and kind of goes a little bit low. If I could take a guess, this will be my first guess. This is kind of hard, so let's see if we're right. Let's play it one more time. Let's see if we're right. We are right. Awesome. So I'm interested in what these other birds sound like and how their sounds look if we would draw them. Interesting. He kind of started with a low pitch sound here. And those sounds kind of look similar, and all together it looks like lots of rhythms in a row. Interesting. There was a little gap in those sounds where that black is. Let's listen one more time. So it looks like he started off slow and he got faster. Next question. All right, question number 2. Let's take a listen. So what I heard is a low to high sound and back down to ooh. And I think that it kind of looks like this option here is ooh, kind of low to high. And then it has 3 more sounds after that. So I'm going to play it one more time to listen to see if it has those 3 sounds after that low and high sound. It does. So I think I'm going to pick this one because this looks like it goes high to low, then high. And those kind of sounds the way they look, it looks like all those sounds would sound the same, but it was low and high and then had 3 sounds after, so I think that one's the right one. Let's see. Awesome, that's the mourning dove. I have some mourning doves that come to my yard. Let's see, so this one, I have this bird that comes to my bird feeder too. Let's hear what this one sounds like. I think I've heard it. I think I've heard that one before. And let's see, American redstart. Let's hear that bird song. Ooh, that's kind of fast. All right, next question, number 3. Ooh, that was really fast. So I kind of heard a ooh, so kind of low to high, back down to low. Let's see, so we've got low to high, kind of high, back down to low. Low, high, back down to low. This one has a gap in the middle. I didn't hear any gaps. Let's hear one more time. And this looks like it might have a little break in the middle where there's no sound. I think I'm going to go with this one. Let's see. Awesome. One more time. That is common paraquet. Paraquet. I'm not quite sure how you say that one. Let's see. Upland sandpiper. Let's hear what that sounds like. Ooh, and then we got just a human whistling. Interesting. Next one. Ooh, that one's kind of tough. I think I'm thinking it might be this one because it was low, middle sound, and it had a high down to low, kind of like a slide in the voice. Let's listen one more time. I think I'm going to have to go with this one. Awesome. So low, low, middle down to low, and then high, low. Let's see what this eastern wood pewee sounds like. Ooh, it has kind of like a little curve sound. And look at here, we have a high, kind of a middle, and back to high pitch sound. Ooh, that was kind of fast. Oh, next. Ooh, so I heard a lot of sounds near the end that sound all the same. So I'm thinking that how it looks with the high and low lines are going to be all the same. So I'm kind of thinking this one. Let's listen one more time. I heard 2 pitches that kind of went up higher, and then pitches that went fast. I think it's this one. Ooh, well, let's hear what this one sounds like. Oh, so all those sounded the same, and they look the same in the way they are drawn with the high and low pitches. And this kind of looks the same too. I bet it's going to have a sound that keeps on repeating, sounds the same. So I went outside and I listened to the birds in my yard, and what I heard in that video that I took was a bird that had the same sound, kind of toot, 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 toot. And I'm going to draw what that would look like with their pitches. So that bird kind of had a high pitch that went down to low pitch, and it kept on repeating. Toot, 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 toot. So that kind of looks like what we would have on that bird game. So that is the bird song that I heard in my yard. I would love to see what your bird song looks like from the birds in your yard.